Hi, welcome to Artistic Documentation. In this video I will show you that how to write down a formal letter. So what is about the formal letter? A formal letter is a type of written communication that sticks to a set structure and stones. It includes specific elements like the sender's and the recipient's address, a formal greetings, and a closure statement. Formal letters are often used for job application, official complaints, and the business inquiries. While these letters follow a strict formal letter structure, have a clear objective, and maintain a professional tone, informal letter can be conversational and personal. They can be written to your friends, family, and acquaintances, office colleagues, include personal news, congratulations, invitations, and any other personal topics or purposes. So hereby you can see I want to transfer my job location, so that's why I have write down a formal letter to the next company. So hereby, what do you need to send a formal letter? Formal letters are sent in situations that require a professional approach or official communication. Here's the example, like job application, sending a registration letter, making formal requests or inquiries to a company, lodging complaints, communicating with the government agencies, conducting official business transactions. So hereby we are approaching the formal request to inquiries to a company. Now first of all you need to think about the header and footer. Now the date where from you are sending a letter, the address, write down the recipient full address, include their PO box, post office box number, or official suites. Okay, inside the body, what should you write down in a formal letter? The body paragraphs are the main text of the letter. In these paragraphs, the sender outlines the purposes of the letter. It includes this section, introductory paragraph that states the letter's main purpose and, if necessary, introduce the letter writer. One or more middle paragraphs that discusses the later subject and greater details. It's important to organize this section logically, with each paragraph addressing a specific point or aspect of your overall message. And the third one is a final paragraph that summarizes the key points and, if applicable, indicates the next step. This could involve suggesting a meeting, requesting a response, or expressing anticipation for resolving the matter at hand. The final paragraphs is also an appropriate place to offer thanks to the recipient for considering your message or for their time and attention. So thanks for watching my video. So today you have learned about how to write down a formal letter and what's the purposes and needs for this letter and how to write down. So thanks for watching my video and hope you guys learned something new, and welcome to my channel again. Goodbye for now.